Diego Garcia. This name resonates with strategic significance, a secluded atoll in the vast Indian Ocean. It is the largest of the Chagos Islands. The United States leases the island from the United Kingdom. This base is a cornerstone of US military presence. It projects power into the Indian Ocean and beyond. The island's location is strategic. Diego Garcia has played a role in various conflicts. Its significance persists in today's geopolitical landscape. It has also ignited a debate about human rights and international law. The year was 2021. A group of 60 Sri Lankan Tamils embarked on a perilous journey. They were fleeing persecution. They sought refuge on distant shores. Their boat, carrying hopes and dreams, developed a leak. The British Navy came to their rescue. They were brought ashore on Diego Garcia. Among the migrants were 16 children. The youngest was just a few months old. They bore witness to the trauma of displacement. They carried the scars of a troubled homeland. These Tamils yearned for safety and a future free from fear. However, Diego Garcia was not the haven they envisioned. Their arrival sparked a complex international incident. The island's status as a US military base complicated their situation. They were caught in a geopolitical tug-of-war. Their fate became entangled with the strategic interests of global powers. The legal battle for the stranded Tamils is fraught with obstacles. The Biot Supreme Court was scheduled to hear their asylum claims. However, the US government intervened, citing security risks. This move drew sharp criticism from human rights groups. Adding to the complexity is the issue of Diego Garcia's sovereignty. Mauritius claims the island, arguing it was illegally separated during British colonial rule. International courts have ruled in favour of Mauritius. However, the UK has resisted these rulings. This dispute complicates the legal standing of the stranded Tamils. The intersection of international law, territorial claims, and asylum rights creates a legal quagmire. Section 4, A Shadow over Paradise. Allegations of confinement and despair. Life on Diego Garcia for the stranded Tamils is far from idyllic. They are confined to a fenced camp. Their movements are restricted. Reports have emerged of punishments for those who venture beyond designated areas. They live in a controlled environment. It is a far cry from the refuge they sought. Access to basic amenities is reportedly inadequate. Medical care is limited. The living conditions are harsh. The migrants, already traumatized by their experiences, face further hardship. Reports of suicide attempts within the camp paint a grim picture. The UK government denies these allegations. They maintain that the migrants are free to leave the island. However, the practicality of leaving a remote military base with limited resources is questionable. The discrepancy between the official narrative and the lived experiences of the migrants raises concerns. Section 5, Security versus Humanity, the Dilemma of Diego Garcia. The US military base on Diego Garcia is a point of contention. Its strategic importance is undeniable. Yet, its presence has come at a cost. The original inhabitants, the Chagosians, were forcibly removed in the 1960s and 1970s. This displacement remains a source of controversy. The US government's decision to block the court hearing for the stranded Tamils underscores the sensitivity surrounding the base. They argue that allowing lawyers and journalists access could compromise security. This stance raises questions about transparency and accountability. The stranded Tamils are caught in the middle. Their fate is intertwined with the geopolitical significance of the island. Their plight highlights the tension between security concerns and humanitarian obligations. Section 6. Charting a course towards justice and resolution. The future remains uncertain for the stranded Tamils of Diego Garcia. Their legal battles continue. Diplomatic efforts are underway. Their case has garnered international attention. It serves as a reminder of the plight of refugees and asylum seekers worldwide. Finding a just and humane solution is crucial. Options include resettlement to a third country or integration into a host society. The international community must work together. They need to find a solution that respects the rights and dignity of the stranded migrants. The story of the stranded Tamils on Diego Garcia is a complex one. It is a story of displacement, resilience, and the search for a safe haven. It is a reminder of the human cost of geopolitical strategies. It is a call for compassion, justice, and a commitment to upholding human rights for all.